In today's video, I'll show you how to change the font in Microsoft Teams so you can personalize your messages and make your chats easier to read. If you want your conversations to stand out or simply feel more comfortable on the eyes, this quick guide is for you. Let's jump right in. To start, open your web browser and go to the Microsoft Teams website. Sign in using your account details. If you're not automatically prompted, just click the Sign In button, usually found in the top right corner of the page. Once you're logged in, head to the chat section. You'll find it on the sidebar, depending on how your Teams layout looks. This is where all your conversations are stored. Next, select the chat where you want to change the font. This can be a one-on-one chat with a coworker or a group conversation for a project. At the bottom of the chat window, where you normally type your message, click the plus icon. This opens additional message options. From there, choose Show Formatting Options. Your message box will expand and display different text formatting tools. Now, type your message as you normally would, but don't send it yet. To change the font, highlight the text you just typed by selecting it with your mouse. After selecting the text, look for the font or formatting icon in the toolbar. Clicking this will open font-related options, including text size and style. Choose the option that best fits your preference and makes your message easy to read. You can experiment with different sizes and formatting styles until you find what works best for you. Once you're happy with how your message looks, go ahead and send it. And that's it. Changing the font in Microsoft Teams is a simple way to customize your chat experience and make it feel more personal. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Microsoft Teams tutorials.